Hi UKG, welcome back to your English class. Hope you all are staying well and you all are practicing whatever I am sharing with you, right? So today I have come to discuss few things because your summer vacations are going to begin, right? All are excited. Yes. So before that I have something to share with you and your parents, okay? So let's get started. Now in English, for UT syllabus, you have A, E, I, O, U sound. Then you have use of this, that, those, these. And you have names of the days and alphabets. Okay, these 4 points. Now, what you are going to have in this alphabets related question, like writing alphabets in capital letter and small letter. You will have letters and related pictures. You will have letters and related words. Okay, whatever we have done in our CW work, we will do that for our UT syllabus also. So in the copy you have written till date, many things. Go through those things. Okay, then come to your book. You have got English reader book. In that book you will see, I'll show you, I'll share the page numbers, just match it. Those page numbers are also included in alphabets. Page number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, and then we have done A, E, I, O, U. I'll share the page numbers with sentences we have done. So do those sentences also, like page number 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 and 38. So these pages also we have completed in our class, and the words and the sentences which we have done, kindly do those words and sentences. Okay, now once the school reopens, then we will do use of this, that, those, these in English. Okay, so I would suggest read the book thoroughly, whatever we have done. Go through the copy. Okay, and almost everything is done. One topic is left, we will do that. Okay, and names of the days you have already written, you have sent me, I have corrected, so you are doing well. So names of the days, before, after, whatever I have given you, do that. Clear? Now come to EVS. EVS we have done keep clean, right? Good habits we have started with, which is not completed yet. We will do that. Then healthy food and family. This is the topic. Okay, healthy food and family for your UT syllabus. So 4 chapters I said: keep clean, good habit, healthy food and family. Now in GK I told you there are topics which can be repeated in both the subjects. Okay, so here we get about me, body parts, feelings. About me, body parts and feelings. With this you will have keep clean. With this you will have keep clean. Okay, so keep clean you are already doing in your EVS class. So same thing, learn properly, which will come in your GK class or GK UT syllabus also. Clear? So here 4 chapters and in EVS also 4 chapters. Done. Now come to handwriting book. When you are doing handwriting book, children, when you are doing handwriting book, we have only done few letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now during our holidays, we will try to complete as many letters as we can. So I will upload the video and you will do the work and you will send it to me in the Google Classroom. Only handwriting book if homework is there. Okay. And at the same time, if I give anything extra activity work, extra work to do for English, then you are going to do it in your copy itself. Only one copy you have, do it there, submit me in the Google Classroom. So you don't need to ask me separately in which copy you will do. Clear? So this is all about your syllabus I have shared, all about your holiday work, what you are going to do, how I am going to give you. Clear? So now let's get back to the class. Now all of you take your book, Kiwi English Reader, take out page number 19. All of you take out this page number 19. Okay, so this is also related to alphabets. Okay, here the question says write the first letter of each word. So both the pages, page number 19 and 20, we have one picture given. We have to identify the picture and it is given in spelling form, but only the first letter is missing, which we have to find out, identify and write. So let's go for it. So let's get started. Now UKG, take out page number 19 in your book. See this, pictures are given, okay. So we have to identify the pictures and we have to write the first letter. Okay, so what is this? This is ant. What is the spelling? A-N-T. Now see, it's written in small letter. N-T is written in small letter. So you write A also in small letter. A-N-T, ant. Done. What is this? This is a drum. So D-R-U-M. You have to add D. D-R-U-M. Drum. Next picture. What is this? Fan. Right? This is fan. So F-A-N. Fan. Done. Now what is this? Boy. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. What is this? It's a cat. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Next. This is egg. E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Next. This is jar. J-A-R. Jar. J-A-R. Jar. Okay. This is a picture of jar. Next picture. What is this? Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. Next picture. What is this? This you know very well. It's a kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. And what is this? Where you can see this? You can see this at night in the sky. Moon. M-O-O-N. This is double O. Okay. We say double O. M-O-O-N. Moon. Done. So you have written the first letter. Let's go to page number 20. Okay, let's start. First picture, what is this? It's a pot. P-O-T. Pot. Second picture, what is this? Rabbit. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. What's this? O as in owl. So you have to just write O. W-L is given. Done. Next. This is the top. You play with it. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. What is this? Quilt. Okay. Quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Done. Next, this is star. This is star. S-T-A-R. Star. When you do nicely, I give you star, right? And where can you see star? In the sky at night. Van. V-A-N. Van. Next picture. What is this? X-ray. You know, when somebody gets hurt, they go for this X-ray and they get this plate. Okay? X, then R-A-Y. Done. Now this is zip. You have got zip in your bag, school bag also. If you see, you have got zip there. Then in purse you will see zip, Z-I-P. Next, yak, Y-A-K, yak, Y-A-K, yak. And the last one, zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, Z-E-B-R-A. Okay, clear? So, complete this word, page number 19 and page number 20. And enjoy your holidays. I'll meet you in the holidays also, give you some work to do. Do that work and send it to me in the Google Classroom when I ask you to submit, okay? So today till this much, UKG. Take care. Bye-bye.